In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule messages in Telegram. This is perfect for sending reminders, greeting someone at the right moment, or making sure a message lands during work hours without you having to remember it later. We'll use Telegram Desktop for this walkthrough, and the process is quick and easy once you've seen it done. Start by opening Telegram Desktop and heading into the chat where you want your message to go. That could be an individual conversation, a group, or a channel where you have permission to post. Make sure you're in the exact chat you intend, because the schedule will be tied to this conversation. Next, type your message in the message field at the bottom. You can take your time here. Write a clear note, add any details, and make sure it reads the way you want. If it's time-sensitive, consider including the date or context right in your text so the recipient knows why it arrived when it did. You can include emojis or simple formatting if you'd like. Everything you can send normally can also be scheduled. Now, instead of clicking Send like usual, go to the Send button, the little paper plane icon on the right side of the message field. Right-click that Send button, or click and hold it for a moment if you're on a trackpad. This reveals a small pop-up menu with extra options that aren't visible during a regular tap. From that pop-up, choose Schedule Message. Telegram will open a scheduling window that lets you select the exact date and time you want. Use the calendar to pick the day and set the time precisely. Double-check your time format, whether it shows AM and PM or a 24-hour clock. And make sure you're scheduling for the correct time zone if you're traveling or coordinating across regions. It helps to quickly confirm whether you mean, for example, 7 in the morning or 7 in the evening. Once you're happy with the date and time, confirm your choice. Telegram will schedule the message and hold it for delivery. You don't have to keep the app open or your computer on at that exact moment. Telegram handles the delivery for you. When the scheduled time arrives, your message will be sent automatically to that chat just like any other message you send. That's all there is to it. Open the chat, write your message, right-click or press, and hold the Send button, choose Schedule Message, pick your date and time, and confirm. With this simple workflow, you can plan ahead, stay organized, and deliver messages at exactly the right moment.